I'm Scott Lanningham. I'm joined right now by two gentlemen from IQP, an IBM business partner focused on the Internet of Things space. Guy Kaplinski next to me is founder and CEO, and next to him, Paul Bloom, is Chief Strategy Officer at IQP. Gentlemen, nice to meet you. Thanks for doing this.
Wonderful to be here.
I wonder, Guy, if you could tell us about IQP and what you all do in the IoT space in particular.
So IQP is an application development environment for code-free. We are able to provide end-to-end solution for application, enterprise application and IoT application. We are a Japanese-based company and we're headquartered in Japan and R&D center in Israel. We're currently moving to the US to have a global operation together with IBM.
Just the way these companies are now, right? Everywhere, all the time.
Exactly. No time to sleep.
Did you want to add anything?
Sure, and I think it's really very important to understand that IoT is going to be transforming every single industry. And if you take a look at where IBM is positioned in the overall ecosystem, I can't think of a better partner to deal with than IBM, as they have a history of transforming enterprises and industries. So we're very proud to be a business partner of IBM. And taking a look at our differentiating qualities of having a platform that will allow our customers and IBM customers to create new IoT applications very rapidly. Time to market is very important in this space. And our platform, IQP, provides you the ability to create new applications, transforming industries literally in days, as opposed to the more traditional way, which typically takes months.
And also we open new market of people to create those applications, because currently IBM is really focused on programmer, and our area, in order to expand the IoT area, to open that for non-programmers, business professional, operational engineer. So it's completely new ecosystem for IBM and IBM partners to provide a complete ecosystem solution to expand the IoT business.
Because it's really the client and the enterprise that really know their business. So they need to have the tools to allow them to make modifications and customize the application to their very specific business and their specific customers.
Yeah, and these ecosystems all, there's gray area on the borders anymore, right? You just can't look at all of these different skill areas and focus areas as silos.
Exactly.
Exactly. Yeah. Because also in IoT it's very important the ROI, because M2M market was here for the last 20 years, but why are we moving to IoT? Why is IoT such a buzzword? So how we create this market? And creating this market is by providing a reasonable solution, which is end-to-end solution from the sensor side to the gateway, to the cloud, to analytics, to the application development area, to provide for programmers, scalable systems and enterprise solutions.
Okay, now let's talk about the IBM products that you guys are particularly involved in. I know one of them is WebSphere Application Server Liberty, right?
Right. So if you look at IBM, they have a tremendous set of products that fit in the IoT space. One is IoT Foundations that we're now completely integrated with. The second is WAS Liberty. Now WAS Liberty gave us the ability to move into a application server that has been designed for the cloud. And that's really very important for our business, because we see many of the applications, many of the infrastructure to be in the cloud, and using WAS Liberty, which is very light, which is also very important to us, and very scalable, is going to be key to our success. So we selected WAS Liberty as being our application server for our product. So we're very happy with that. In addition, the analytics tools. The importance of analytics for IoT is supreme. And the tools that IBM has, going from Cognitive Watson to SPSS to many of the other tools that IBM has, which will be integrated into the overall solution, will be very important to our customers, as they're able to translate the data, the tremendous amounts of data that will be collected going into IT Foundations and being analyzed by the various tools that IBM has.
Yeah, not only all of this data coming in from all these sources, where you're storing it, but what are you going to do with it?
Exactly.
Right.
And that's where IQP comes in, because IQP comes in not only doing the control and monitoring, but it enables to create the business applications from the client side that the end user can create themselves. And eventually, end user being yourself, you'll be able to configure IoT applications to your very specific needs and for your very specific business.
I know you're already getting into this, but talk some more about the value proposition to IBM as a partner with you all and to your common customers, and what really differentiates you in this space?
So what differentiates us is the ability to build the application, the client-side application, the server solutions, all is a one platform. It's a fully integrated platform.
Okay.
Can be on the cloud, could be on-premise with vast liberty. And the ability is to provide very quick solution for the end user. Because the key differentiator for IBM is the end user, how I deliver end-to-end solution from connect this device to having an application ready, run and go, mobile, PC, tablet in a one-day work. Where compared to today, when you have to do it in coding, it takes you a minimum a month or two.
Such disruption from something so small, and even smaller than that. too,
Yeah.
And there are
right?
going to be billions of these.
Oh
Yes.
my gosh! Yeah.
That's will be connect everywhere, on the industrials, on your life, social life, everywhere is going to be with you. And yeah,
How many are we wearing right now? I mean, who knows, right?
Yeah.
Probably hundreds, and we don't even know about them.
Can you share a client story? I mean, even in general, even if you don't talk about a specific name, but just give us an example of how this is working.
Sure.
Yeah.
we're working with IBM Japan, and we have electronics company, sensor company from Japan, very big sensor company doing very interesting stuff. So what we see here is bunch of number of sensor and this really small device that connecting to the internet. And what we're helping them is basically to transform them from selling a hardware to selling the services. Because now when they approach to the client, they said, I will provide you the sensor, I will provide you the gateway, I will connect you to the cloud, I will store your data, I will analyze your data, but also I provide you an application development environment where you can build your application to your customer, or you can enable your customer to build their own and provide their own ecosystem. So these companies are moving from sell hardware, sell services, and sell application, which is really changing the model, the business model for them.
All those kids playing Minecraft and Lego Mindstorm have a great future ahead of them, don't
They
they?
have a tremendous future.
You're going to need all those people. Thank you both for making time for this.
Thank
Great
you.
conversation.
Yeah, thank you.
Again, talking with Guy Kaplinski, founder and CEO at IQP, and next to him, Paul Bloom, Chief Strategy Officer at IQP and IBM business partner in the Internet of Things space. I'm Scott Lanningham, and we're IBM.
Thank you very much.